Well, good morning. Today is Wednesday morning. It's about 8 o'clock here, Eastern Time. It is October 23rd, and it's probably 28 degrees out, and this is our first snowstorm. It's mounting up just a little bit here on the ground, but it's snowing. Wow, look at this. Coming into the trees. Some of the trees, as you can see, are starting to lose their leaves. Way out there you can see some color. I'm going to zoom in on that. Those trees right along the edge that I'm pointing at right now have been very colorful for the last couple of weeks. And they're still colorful. Yesterday it was nice and sunny, so you could see them very brilliantly. Get in on those a little bit, because those have been pretty too, all around the lake. Anyway, it's been an interesting morning. Vaughn and Karen are here today. So we're going to spend the week with them. They came in from Houston last night. Their camera, not their camera. I'm using the camera. It was their suitcase that was lost on the plane, so we had to stay a little bit later. Now, that's the same dock that we had the boat tied up at. Here's the car over here. You can just make it out through the tree. Starting to collect some snow. A little snow's collecting on the roof there. I hope you can see it. I'm sure you can through the lens. It's getting a little bit stronger right now than what it was when we first got up. Guess who that is in there? That's Gigi. Good morning, Gigi.
Good morning, guys. Did you see the snow out there? Be a lot more when you come, I'll bet.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at our pictures of this summer out there in the lake swimming.
Oh, yes. Oh, I see a picture right there. Who is that? Is that Skylar Malloy?
No, that's Miss Cassie.
Oh, that's Cassie.
Before she could
little
walk.
one.
When she's a little girl.
Oh boy, that's her in July.
No, earlier. These are some Kelly sent.
Oh yeah. That's her on a camping trip right there.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is a shot right here of the kids when they were here for Mom's funeral.
Oh yes, that's all of the grandchildren.
Yeah.
Here's Hampton and Jack with Daddy. Lots of pictures we're going to show our friends. There's the goose on the grass.
Oh my God.
Need Mamie to come and scare him away.
Oh boy. There's us in the boat.
It's the day we got the boat, I think. So,
Yeah.
getting these out to show the Johnsons.
Lots of stuff. Well, I think I'll take them downstairs and let them look at what's going on. We've got our wood here, guys. Been kind of cold at night. Kind of cold at night, so we had to have the wood. Okay, here we go downstairs. And downstairs is almost finished. That's the outside. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to repair this this window that goes around that door, and I'm going to do it with that one. That's a brand new window. I'm just going to set that in and let her rip, babe. Let her rip. Okay, this is what she looks like. This is the the final product. It wasn't done when Kel and the kids were here. Started when Andy and Hampton were here, but she's all done now. Look at this. Mom and I put the ceiling on a couple of weeks ago,